Hello and welcome to my unboxing video. This is the unboxing video of Singapore Airlines Airbus A350-900 aircraft. The model aircraft is produced by Hogan Wings in 1:200 scale size snap-together model. This particular aircraft model features the F1 2016 Formula 1 Singapore Airlines Singapore Grand Prix sticker. It is a licensed product under the Formula 1 group. This is the top view of the box. Included is the image of the aircraft, the titles Airbus A350-900, the scale size 1:200, and the sticker logo of Formula 1 group, plus a statement landing gear included. So let's proceed and review the other sides of the box, including the back portion. The first side of the box contains Airbus A350-900 titles and scale size 1:200 on the left end of the box, and the logo of Singapore Airlines on the right end of the box. The second side of the box contains the logo of Singapore Airlines, the titles Airbus A350-900, and the scale size 1:200. The third side of the box contains the titles Airbus A350-900 and scale size 1:200 on the left end of the box, and on the right end is the Singapore Airlines logo. The fourth side of the box contains Singapore Airlines logo, the title Airbus A350-900, and the scale size 1:200. The back portion of the box contains specifications on the wingspan, length, and height of the aircraft. Details 1:200 scale plastic snap fit model in highly detailed superior graphics, simple snap fit construction, display stand included, and no painting required. Then you have the Airbus A350-900 title, the image of the aircraft, a statement adult collectible model with a warning that contains small parts that's suitable for children under 14 years old, the item number 10536, and the barcode. So let's proceed and open the box. Inside the box is another protective molded plastic that protects the aircraft. The packing includes the painted fuselage, the sets of main wings, the sets of vertical elevator and horizontal stabilizers. Also included is the set of landing gears, wheel well covers, and the plastic display stand. So let's open the plastic molding. This is the fuselage painted in highly detailed color and design. These are the sets of landing gears with 10 wheels. This is the vertical fin and the 2 horizontal stabilizers. This is the plastic display stand with the logo of Formula 1 and Singapore Airlines with the titles 2016 Formula 1 Singapore Airlines Singapore Grand Prix. This is the left main wing of the aircraft with the left engine already attached. This is the right main wing of the aircraft with the right engine already attached. This is a one-piece paper that shows the snap fit assembly of the aircraft together with the proper installation of the 2 horizontal stabilizers. So let's proceed and assemble the aircraft. This is the front port view of the aircraft, the left forward view of the aircraft, the left port side view of the aircraft, the left rear view of the aircraft, the rear port view of the aircraft, the right rear view of the aircraft, the right port side view of the aircraft, and the right forward view of the aircraft. The left port side view of the fuselage shows the technical navigational markings beneath the cockpit window and the Star Alliance logo sticker beside the cockpit window. Number 1 and number 2 left cabin doors with its detailed markings. Huge Singapore Airlines titles crossing the number 2 cabin door. Small Airbus A350-900 titles beneath the airline's sheet line markings under the forward left cabin windows. Another technical markings on the lower part of the fuselage near the number 2 cabin door. Landing and takeoff lights on the front end of the left main wing is also visible. This is the overwing area of the aircraft with the number 3 left cabin door situated behind the left main wing. The Formula 1 logo and Singapore Airlines logo with the titles 2016 Formula 1 Singapore Airlines Singapore Grand Prix printed above the airline's blue line markings. The 4th left cabin door and beneath is the small cargo hold of the aircraft. Hogan Wings did not specify airline registration marks on this aircraft model. And the airline's tail logo. This is the vertical and horizontal stabilizers of the aircraft plus the auxiliary power unit exhaust. On the right port side view of the fuselage shows the technical navigational markings beneath the cockpit window and the Star Alliance logo sticker beside the cockpit window. Number 1 and number 2 right cabin doors with its detailed markings. The huge Singapore Airlines titles crossing the number 2 right cabin door. Small Airbus A350-900 title beneath the airline's sheet line markings under the forward right cabin windows. Beside the Airbus marking is the forward main cargo hold of the aircraft. Another technical markings on the lower part of the fuselage near the number 2 cabin door. Landing and takeoff lights on the front end of the right main wing is also visible. This is the overwing area of the aircraft with the number 3 right cabin door situated behind the right main wing. The Formula 1 logo and Singapore Airlines logo with the titles 2016 Formula 1 Singapore Airlines Singapore Grand Prix printed above the airline's blue line markings. The 4th right cabin door and beneath is the 2nd main cargo hold of the aircraft. Hogan Wings did not specify airline registration marks on this aircraft model. And the airline's tail logo. The top left main wing is painted in off-gray color with black line markings. The top right main wing is also painted in off-gray color with black line markings. The bottom left main wing is also painted in off-gray color with the left engine nozzle painted in sky gray color. The bottom wing has also 3 flap extenders with its tips painted in red. The bottom right main wing is also painted in off-gray color with the right engine nozzle painted in sky gray color as well. The bottom wing has also 3 flap extenders with its tips painted in red. This is the number 1 Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engine located at the right main wing of the aircraft. the fan blades are rotating. This is the number 2 Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engine located at the left main wing of the aircraft. The fan blades are also rotating. Landing gears are rolling. This is the appearance of the aircraft in gear up position. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share, like, and consider subscribing to my channel.